Sanbor Shullai Deputy Chief Whip Baru Chairman ke MTDC nek apun tarik nailur arpo ulo Plie ke Iing Skul thymmai jaga Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Laban ke jingyo kan ke school benchna building thymmai ke dealing ba ke jingtrai shitam ke jerap jong Sanbor Shullai Rakarpar ke ADB lane ke Asian Development Bank ben penchna building school ha ke school ha ke jinglot ke belong shiklor prapulai lak nyopra hajar tingka Haba jingkran hakani kesengi Sanbor ulong baraka jingyo building thymmai kani ke school kan long ke badan bok bhabar kumjuru ki khna school kinyo shibon ki jingmentoy da ke jingyo ek building ke bapaka Sanbor ulapan paru ke jingsko benyau halor ke jingdu ke shnang Laban ye katu ka ningot ki brio ki blaklat no kindet na ke jingtua khando hinin kesengi arpasan tarik nailur ahaja arpo
and landslide. Before I came here, I went to inspect, and after this program, I have spoken to Isa Ondala DC. I have to attend civil hospital. 2 dead body we have retrieved yesterday, and 3 more we are trying now. They are yet to be retrieved. And all the 5 people who died, they are very close with me and my family and with everyone of you. They are very poor, as you are all aware. Those people who are living there, most of them they are domestic worker, daily laborer, who cannot afford more than 4,000 rent. So they have to stay there in spite of all these difficulties.